Hey guys, it's Robsy back with Paperless Humans. In today's video, we'll be going through everything you need to know about Split View on the iPad. Split View lets you use two apps at once. When working in an app, there are several ways you can open another app to split view your screen into two. The first one, you can tap the three dots icon in the middle top of your screen and go to Split View. Your open app moves to the side, letting you pick an app from the home page. App library. You can also search for the app you want with Spotlight. Or pick an app from the dock. You can also drag your opened app from the top middle to any side of the screen depending on where you want the other app. The last way is to bring up the dock and drag the second app to the side you want it on. By default, the two apps open at a 50-50 split ratio. But you can adjust that to make one side smaller. To replace an app in Split View, drag down the app you no longer need and pick another one. If you want to use a different app for a short while, drag the new app from the dock to replace the open app. When you finish using it, you can close it to reveal the app you were using before. To close the split view, you can either go to the three dots icon, then close, or swipe it away from the middle of the screen until it closes. With some apps, Split View supports drag and drop of items between apps. To use this, an app should be able to drag and drop items out. Examples of apps that can do that are Noteful, Apple Notes, Photos, etc. Some apps can't drag and drop items out, like Color Note, for example. The receiving app should also be able to accept items from drag and drop. Most apps can receive without a problem. With drag and drop, you can also quickly copy and paste images, handwritten notes, text, and web links across your apps. Not all apps support Split View though. Settings, and Adobe Sign, for example, don't support Split View. Apps that don't support split view will not have the three dots icon at the top middle of your screen. And that is all for this episode. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.